Want to mute background noise or delete unwanted audio from your video? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show how to remove sound from any video in CapCut using simple ways. So, let's get started. Go ahead and open the CapCut app on your device. Tap on New Project and import the video you want to edit. Once your video is on the timeline, tap the clip to select it. You'll know it's selected. Now look at the bottom toolbar and choose Volume. Drag the volume slider all the way down to 0. This simply mutes the audio, but the sound still exists in the file. It just won't play. If you want the audio gone permanently, not just muted, here's what to do. Tap the clip again to select it. Scroll through the bottom tools until you see Extract Audio and tap it. You'll now see the audio track appear as a separate layer. Tap on the audio track to highlight it, then hit Delete. Now the sound is fully removed, and even after exporting, your video will have no audio at all. And that's it! 2 simple ways to remove sound from any video inside CapCut. If this helped, make sure to follow for more easy editing tips. See you in the next one.